Hello guys, welcome back. Today we're hiking the Madari Trail in Cyprus. Definitely not a secret, but absolutely one of the most beautiful trails on the island. This is a 13 kilometers loop around the Troodos mountains, and let me tell you, it's got everything. Big views, mountain ridge, and some of the most unique trees in Cyprus. Speaking of trees, let's talk about the VIPs of the forest. You will spot the golden oak, or as we call it in Greek, Latzia. This little guy is special. It only grows here in Cyprus, nowhere else in the world. Then there is the Calabrian Pine, or Pefkos. Tall, majestic, giving the trail that fresh pine scent. And if you look closely, you might also find the eastern strawberry tree, Androuklia. With its shiny leaves and colorful berries, it's basically a nature's jewelry. Now, as we hike along the ridge, the views are next level. One of my favorite sites is the village of Kyperounta. Tucked down in the valley, it looks like a painting from up here. And if the weather plays nice, you can see all the way across the island from Morpho Bay to the Androuklia mountains. Not bad for a day out, right? The whole hike takes about 4 to 5 hours, depending on how many times you stop to take photos or eat snacks if you are like me. And at around 1,600 meters altitude, the air is cooler and fresher than the coast, so it's perfect for escaping the summer heat. So grab your hiking shoes, pack some water, and let's go explore Madari together. And if you spot me out of breath on the uphill section, just pretend I'm admiring the view, okay? Let's hit the trail, guys.